I have another unboxing for you. These are the last two in the Diamond Dotz unboxing series. This is the last two that were requested for unboxing in the Diamond Dotz collection that I have here in my home. One of these I have not even seen. Actually, either one of them I haven't seen. So these are new unboxings for me as well. So, and I love birds. So, one's birds. So you're ready? Here we go. Okay, we're gonna do this one first. This one is Rose Garden. I got this from Joann's, and this one seems like it's bigger than your average Diamond Dotz. So let's see, shall we? All right, let's look at the canvas. And where's our instructions? There it is. Okay, we're going to roll this backwards because we can do that. See? See how long it's, can you hear how long it's taken? Because it's a big one. For Diamond Dotz, it's a big one. It's a 40.64 centimeters by 50.8 centimeters. 16 by 20 inches. Whoa, that should be a good one to frame. You should be able to just go buy a frame for this one. This one's pretty. Okay, you see a lot of. It's a Thomas Kincaid, and it is not a partial. This one's a full canvas of diamonds, and it's got some stick. All right. Let's see if this has any specials. This is all flowers and flowers. It's going to be pretty. So let's look. All 8,000 numbers so far. Yep, no special drills. But I will place some special drills. It has 40 colors. So that's quite a bit, and it's a decent size. So this one's going to take, I don't know, I guess 2 to 3 weeks for me to do when I do it, when and if I do it. Amy Sparkling Diamond Paints is part of Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0, and she does a plant/garden event. And this would definitely qualify for that. So I would probably bling up the maybe the yellows or the flowers, or maybe I'll bling up the brick. I almost called it a chimney. That's not a chimney, guys. Not a chimney. Okay, here is our toolkit. You get 2 placers. You get a straightener and a multi-placer. You get a pen, a squishy, a wax, a tray, and you get baggies in this one. So let's look at these colors. There we go. Oh, let's flip this over. lower you down a little bit. Let's see, are those two the same? No, they are not. They look the same. One is 82.59 and one's 82.57. Ooh. So those are the colors. It's going to have some brightness in areas, and it's going to have, I think it's going to be uniform. It's going to have a uniform looking picture. I think all the colors that we're going to see are, it's going to all come together. It's got some beautiful colors in it, but no special drills. Not a one, guys, not a one. It looks very pixelated from my view, but it will probably be beautiful when it's done. Because there is your thumbnail. Can't really see it there. But if you look at the box, it's going to be nice. Oh yeah. This is going to be very pretty when it's done, guys. Did you guys pick this up in Joann's? Let me know in the comments if you have it, if you have this one. I'm very curious to know. So this one is 16-inch by 20-inch, 40.64 centimeters by 50.8 centimeters. It is a full canvas, and it has 40 colors for a total of 25,096 drills. 25,096 drills. Nice. Okay, I'm going to put this guy away and get out the other one. I don't remember if I got this one with going out of business or if it was just one we picked out, because this was one my husband picked out for me. So okay, come on. The tape is stuck. All right, so that is Rose Garden. All right, let us see Home Sweet Home. Now this one has a slit in it, but I don't think it's, this one I got in Hobby Lobby. This one, when they were getting rid of all their diamond paintings, getting ready to put in their own line, which I personally am not a fan of their canvases, but so this one is a partial, and it is gorgeous. All right, got to roll her backwards, and this one's got not as soft of canvas as some of the ones I've unboxed from Walmart. This canvas is more of the scratchy back. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this one's going to be fun. This one has plants. This one would qualify also for plant and garden. And it's got birds. It's got strawberry. It's got fruit. It's got birds. It's got a birdhouse. It's got plants and flowers. This one would qualify for a few different events. And it has, let's see, one special drill, 32 total colors, and one special drill. Oh, it's going to be right in here. That's where the special drills are going to go. I bet you they're going to be big red things that they're probably going to be, look, they're all in here, all in these berries. So let's see, get your regular toolkit, guys. Let's see if we can find these special drills. Oh, I see them. Which train are they going to be in? Not that train yet. All right, here we go. This has got some pretty colors. Didn't find the special yet. There they are. There they are. These are our special drills, which are going to go all in here and here and here and here, here and here, here and here and here, oh, and here. Nice. This is a Donna Gilsinger picture, guys. Wow. I didn't realize she did Diamond Dotz. So this one is 35 centimeters by 56 centimeters, 40.64 centimeters. And it's a 14 by 16 inch. So this one would qualify because the image is more than 30 by 30. So this one would qualify. So when you're looking at the size of the pictures, you want to look at design size for your qualifying factors. That's how I believe it is done. So this is a partial because you don't diamond paint here, here, here. Only where you see the black markings. So, oh, this is going to be very pretty. 35.56 by 40.64 centimeters. Look at the colors. Oh, they're going to be so pretty. And I bet you this is the color of the birds. Number 4, which is N. Yep, it's going to be, it's all in the ends. Right here. Primary color of the birds. Yep, N and K. K is number 5, so right here. So these two colors of the birds. Oh my gravy. These are going to come out so nice. The drills look really good too. Okay, so this is a Donna Gilsinger. Wow, pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, I love the birds. I love the birdhouse. And I think it will, I may not bling this one up, but if I do, I may do some in the house, in the framework of the house. So, not sure. It's up for, you can give me your opinions. Should I or shouldn't I bling up this one? And who knows, when I go to do it, I may decide not to bling it up, or I may decide to bling it up. But it's got some nice bling to it now. Okay, this one, I gave you the measurements. It's got 32 colors, and it has 11,192 drills. Yep, 11,192 drills. Oh, it's going to be so pretty. And this one will take me a couple weeks. So maybe about one. Probably take me 1 week. Depends on if I'm working on anything else at the same time. Which I probably will be working on something else at the same time. Let's be real. So this right here did not affect anything on the canvas. This was probably when they opened the box that they came in. You know how they use that razor blade to open it? That's probably what that's from. But it didn't hurt it in any way. So this was Rose Garden and Home Sweet Home. And I am pampered with diamonds. And I like it a lot, especially the birds. And remember to always be kind to everyone